Today guys, we're in the heart of cottage country in Muskoka, Ontario. It is a beautiful day. It's like plus 20 degrees outside, which is super hot for this time of year. And in today's video, we're gonna be staying tonight at an eco cabin here in the Muskokas. So we're gonna be showing you guys a whole tour of that. And not only that, but some hikes around the property that you can do. And also some places that you can eat while you're staying here. So I'm super excited for this video guys, so let's dive right into it.
Alright guys, so I'm going to take you inside to the eco cabin. There's a couple cool things about it. So come on in. This is sort of like the main space and the kitchen. We have a little stove here. You can make coffee in the morning, you can make tea, and then all of the light fixtures are actually portable, so there's no power here, so you can light yourself up just by turning the lights on and off this way. They were fully charged when we got here. And then all of the water is hand pumped. So in order to get the water to run, you just have to kind of squeeze, which is kind of cool. And then what's nice, if you're a content creator like us, then there's a nice little bench here that you can work at with lots of natural lighting, little seating nook here. And then right here is the bathroom. So
I like this seating right here. It's super nice. You can get a view in the back.
See if you can kind of see.
Crank those.
So the bathroom in here is natural.
So for the washroom, there's no like pump or anything. It's compost, right? So like you do your business or whatever, and then you just throw sawdust, which I've actually never heard of that, but that's super cool. Let's go to the best part. We're gonna head upstairs. It's actually sweet. It's like a top bunk, but a lot cooler. That's where you are. Alicia's kind of falling over onto the bed here. But it's just like a nice bed here with some nice open like windows. So there's a lot of natural light coming in too. And obviously, like, we came here for the fall colors, and it's like, you have such a nice view right here of everything. She has some books that you really like too.
Yeah, Ruby Carr, she's a poet. Is it different if it's a female poet, or are they just poets?
They're all poets, and they always know it.
At any rate, there's a couple Ruby Carr poetry books here, which I think is very fun. I love these, they're so good.
She doesn't think this orb is that cool, but I think it's pretty awesome.
You ready?
Yeah.
You can even change the colors. Wait, let's put it. Yeah.
Put it any color you want.
We need this.
Oh, it's a whole vibe in here.
They shall notice this missing. Just kidding. Just kidding.
All right, so that was the first section. Now we're heading into, it's more of like a little sunroom or a lounge area that people can just chill at. So this place is just open to outside. It's not like a huge deal right now because it's actually so warm out. If it was like a normal fall day, we'd probably be pretty cold. This is a cool place, just like we were having this morning. We had some coffee and tea, and we were doing a bit of work here too. And like Alicia said, this is gonna be sweet at night. All of the lights here are battery powered, so there's no power in this cabin. But like at night, it's kind of hard to see right now because it's still pretty bright out, but this goes all the way around. There's actually quite a few lights like out front too. That's gonna be awesome. And there's like beautiful plants and everything. I just love like the aesthetic of this place.
So now I'm going to take you to the other outdoor feature, which is just over here. So just around the building. Doubt we're going to use it now because it's fall and it's kind of cold, but there is actually
outdoor shower.
Which is
awesome. But I'm not sure how it works. I don't want to pull it or anything. I might go for a shower tonight. Alicia thinks I'm crazy, but I might give it a go.
Oh Lord.
You're going to be like giving a show to the bears and stuff and the squirrels, but it's okay. Hopefully they've had their fill of nuts for the year.
Then over here are the hammocks. So Joe, you want to show them how to use it?
I barely know how to use it myself, but these are, we actually left a book in here.
Oh, good thing we can.
But these are like, I love hammocks. Every chance I get to like sit in one, I pounce on it because it's just so awesome just to chill. See? I look relaxed, don't I?
Last up on the tour is the fire pit. So over here, just beside the shower, There's a little fire pit just right there with some seating. So we're gonna use that later tonight when Joe potentially showers in the freezing cold and then heat up by the fire. There's just a couple other things we haven't shown you yet about this property, but we'll get there later. For now, we're gonna show you some cool B-roll and maybe take you out for dinner.
And yeah, we're about to go eat, so if you love food as much as we do, you're gonna love this video.
Here's where we went for lunch, guys. It's called Heart of Muskoka Fries, and it's only about a 10-minute drive from the cabin. It had some really cool vintage decorations all over the property and also in the restaurant. It definitely has like a vintage diner vibe to it. And they also had some really good burgers, so you definitely can't go wrong eating here.
So we've just finished grabbing some lunch and we're gonna start exploring kind of her property a little bit. Apparently there's 2 trails that you can go on. One of them goes to a lake that's nearby. Another one kind of goes to an open field as well.
After we went hiking for a while, we decided that we definitely wanted to load up on some carbs. So we headed out to Bracebridge in town and found this absolutely beautiful restaurant on the water called Basilico. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit more on the expensive side, but it's definitely worth it. The pizza I had was absolutely unreal. So if you're in the mood for Italian, I highly recommend eating here. As you can probably guess, we overloaded on carbs and we're pretty tired. So we spent the rest of the night just making a fire and kind of chatting and relaxing. And that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like this video and I'll see you in the next one.